Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at and installing the Anderson Composites 4-inch cowl hood in carbon fiber for 2018 and newer GT and EcoBoost Mustangs. This hood's going to be a good option for someone looking for something that's a little bit different. Carbon fiber offers a very different look in and of itself, and paired with a large 4-inch cowl hood, this hood totally changes the look of the entire car. So keep in mind that carbon fiber can always be painted if you didn't love the way that it looks naturally, or you can leave it as is. It can be a statement piece, or you can grab other carbon fiber items to accent it. It's a good option if you're looking to drop weight or looking for the functionality of the cowl hood. It's also a good option if you're looking for a high-quality cowl hood to transform the look of the car and give it a classic muscle car appearance. This hood is a direct replacement. It is double-sided carbon fiber with a high-gloss finish, and it will need hood pins and a heat shield for safety and for finish reasons. And just as a side note, gas struts aren't recommended to be used with this hood. You should use the factory hood prop here. This hood costs about $1,500. It's easy to install. We'll call it a 2 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and we'll show you how to get it on your car now. For this install, we use 2 different 10mm sockets, a 3/8 drive and a 1/4 inch drive, a 1/4 inch drive ratchet, as well as a 3/8 drive impact gun and a body clip removal tool. Alright guys, so the first step of your install is obviously going to be to pop your hood. Now we do have a few things to transfer over to our carbon fiber hood from our factory hood. Alright, we do need to transfer over our latch here as well as the nozzle, so we'll be removing both of those. I have a 10mm socket here, and we're going to go ahead and just unbolt that now. So for our next step, we're going to be handling our fluid line here. So I'm going to use a body clip removal tool, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to unclip it from the hood here. Then I'm also going to remove some of the clips from the insulation, peel that back a little bit, and we'll remove the line. We are going to save removing the nozzles until we actually get the hood off though. Alright, so you guys are going to have one push pin here. We are missing that on our car, so you guys can see our insulation hangs down a little bit. You'll also need to go in a little bit further and pull this second clip here as well. So we're just going to go ahead, work that out of the hood. Alright, you guys can see right here where our line connects. We'll need to pull this out as well. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to disconnect the line from here. We'll leave this in the hood for now. We'll pull this clip out. And then we have to reach a little bit further in, undo a couple more clips, and then go to the other side to grab the other end of the line. Alright guys, so now we're going to go over to the other side of the hood. We are going to use our tool to remove the line from the hood here. And then we're also going to disconnect the line right here. So at this point in time, you are ready to remove your hood. You'll need a 10mm socket for that, and a second set of hands is really going to make things a lot easier for you. I have Joe here to help me. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the hood from the hood prop. We're going to push the hood up as far as possible, take our 10mm socket, and unbolt the 2 nuts on either side of the hood that are right here. So, remove the hood from the hood prop. So with a little bit of help, we now have our factory hood removed, and we do have it sitting on a piece of cardboard to protect the paint. You guys are probably going to want to do the same thing just in case you ever want to return to your stock hood or if you want to sell it. What we're going to do now is actually transfer over the nozzles, and I'll show you guys how to remove them now. So these are really easy. What you're going to do is you'll just put your finger underneath of them, you'll push up, and it'll pop right out of place. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Alright guys, so we need to transfer over our hood latch. Now, Anderson Composites does give you some hardware here, but we're going to go ahead and reuse our factory hardware. So we're just going to remove this. We'll make sure we grab the washers out from underneath. We'll grab our hood latch. We'll get it in place, and we'll start to tighten it down. Now I am going to use hand tools on this hood, guys. You want to make sure you don't over tighten anything because you don't want to crack the carbon fiber. And another thing that I'm going to go ahead and point out while we're here and doing this is we are transferring over the hood latch, but keep in mind that this hood does call for use of hood pins. So we're going to use the hood latch just to latch the hood, but we're going to use the hood pins for safety reasons. And if you guys wanted to transfer over your windshield washer nozzles, you can do that, but just be aware that you might have to modify the openings on the underside of this hood, and you'll also have to figure out a way to run the line across the inside of the hood too. But now that we have this latch on, we're going to go ahead and get the hood on the car. Alright guys, so getting your hood back on the car is, once again, a two-person job, so I have Travis here to help me, and what we're going to do is we are rotating the hood back, and I'm going to let Travis get his side in first. He's lining up on the bracket there, and what he's going to do is he's just going to start the nuts and leave them on loosely. You want to have them secured but loose so that you can adjust the hood as you need to. So he's got his first piece of hardware in place, so I'm going to try to get mine in place now. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to slowly lower the hood, and we're going to make sure that it's not hitting anywhere. And we're also going to check our gap here because this is going to tell us how we'll need to fit the hood and where we'll need to make an adjustment. So at this point, we like the way the hood is fitting, so I'm going to go through with a 10mm socket, and I am going to tighten these down by hand. Once again, you don't want to over tighten these because you don't want to crack the carbon fiber. So you really only want to make them as tight as necessary. So after I tighten this side, we're going to lower the hood, make sure the fit's still good, then I'll go over to the other side and tighten the other side. And we'll be able to close our hood. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this review and install. Keep in mind that you can always check this out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.